وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Islamic Study. Please subscribe, like and share it together. Start our second lesson of Norani Qaida. Before starting, you must know what is Norani Qaida actually. Norani Qaida means basic book for beginners to learn Quranic Arabic. There are 29 letters in Arabic alphabet. Today we will learn from Khaa to Sin. Now we start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Please read after me. Khaa, 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 Khaa. Let me show you the origin of Khaa. Is pronounced from throat. Khaa is pronounced from throat. There is the three part of throat: upper part of throat, middle part of throat, lower part of throat. So Khaa is pronounced from the upper part. Read after me. Khaa, Khaa, Khaa. Our next letter is Dal. Dal, Dal. Dal has no dot on it. Dal, Dal, Dal. Let me show you the origin of the inner view of mouth. This is tip of tongue, and this is the gums of front two teeth. This is the gums of front two teeth. So start using tip of tongue to touch gums of front two teeth. So read the Dal, Dal. Please read after me. Dal, Dal. Our next letter is Zal, Zal. Please read after me. Zal, Zal. Let me show you the origin of Zal. This is the inner mouth. This is the inner view of mouth. So this is tip of tongue, and this is the edge of front two teeth. Edge of front two teeth. So start using tip of tongue to touch by the edge of front two teeth. Okay. Start using tip of tongue like a tip of tongue by touching the edge of front two teeth. So read the Zal, Zal, Zal. These are two letters, the similar. So how can you difference? How can you differ in two letters? By the dots. Zal has one dot on it and Dal has a no dot. So Zal has a one dot on it and Dal has a no dot. Our next letter is Ra. Ra. Please read after me. Ra. Ra. Ra has a full sound. Ra has a full sound. You will not pronounce the Ra with thin sound. Let me show you the origin of Ra. This is the inner view of mouth. This is the edge of tongue. This is the first three teeth, upper the teeth, three teeth. So Ra pronounce to touching the edge of tongue, ra pronouns, to touching the edge of tongue to front three teeth, the gums of front teeth. You will say ra, ra. Please read after me. Ra, ra. Our next letter is za, za, za. Please read after me. Za. Let me show you the origin of za. This is the tip of tongue. This is the tip of tongue. So this is the front two teeth. So tip of tongue comes between the front top and bottom teeth. Like this is front top and the bottom teeth. So you will say za. Please read after me. Za, za. Our last letter of this lesson, sin, sin, sin. Please read after me. Sin. Sin you will read by the whistle sound, okay? Like a city. Sin, sin, sin. Let me show you the origin of sin. This is the tip of tongue and this is the front teeth like a, so use the tip of tongue comes between the front top and bottom teeth. Front top, this is the front top and bottom teeth, the mid of that. So you will use from here sin, sin, sin. Please read after me. Sin, sin. Once we repeat again. Khaa, khaa. Please read after me. Khaa, khaa, khaa. Dal, dal, dal. Zal. Please read after me. Zal. You will focus two dots, two letters. There is the one dot, there is no dot. Okay. The same like that, similar letters. So you will be focused by the dots. Ra, ra, za, za. You will differ in two letters. This is zal and this is za. Zal and za. Please don't mix this one, okay? Sin, sin, sin. Read it with whistle sound. Read with whistle sound. Our lesson is completed. So please, you will practice it. This lesson 5 times a day. In the 3 days, you will practice this lesson the 5 times. And we will learn our next lesson soon, inshallah. If you have any question according to this lesson or before lesson, you can ask please in the comment section. Inshallah, I will give you the quick answer. Thanks for watching.